In this video, I'll be breaking down the 8 steps you need to take if you're looking into buying a condo as a real estate investor. Hi, my name is Greg, and if you've been thinking about buying a condo or just want to get started with real estate investing, stick around. I'll walk you through the essential steps you need to buy a condo or another rental property. Step number 1, getting a loan pre-approval. This is always a key step when you're getting started buying your first condo. You'll want to get pre-approved for a mortgage before even starting to look for the perfect condominium. It's absolutely no fun to find an investment property that you love only to find out that you simply can't afford it. Getting a pre-approval will ensure you know exactly what you can afford and save you time on property hunting outside of your price range. Pro tip here, make sure to shop around with a few lenders to get the very best mortgage rate that you can. Step number 2, starting the search. Now that you've got your pre-approval, the fun part begins. You can start browsing through different neighborhoods and see which ones make sense for your real estate investment. Be on the lookout for factors like accessibility and nearby shopping and services, as well as other features which attract tenants. These can help make sure you get the best return on your investment. If you're not quite sure what to look for in a condo, tools like the Mashvisor Property Finder can help. Its artificial intelligence AI features allow you to search through the hottest condos in the best neighborhoods right now. Best of all, you can set the filters according to your needs and wants, from listing price to number of bedrooms and optimal rental strategy. Step number 3, finding the right realtor. You know the saying, time is money. So working with a realtor will be easier and more efficient for you than buying the right condo yourself. Real estate agents have more experience closing on a deal, and it doesn't hurt to have someone on your side when just getting started in real estate investing. But on the flip side, the wrong realtor could take away a lot of your valuable time. Be sure to check online for their credentials and reviews. Step number 4, doing a home inspection. Home inspections are done by third-party inspectors, and they can tell you a lot about the state of the property you are considering. You will know whether the condo will require hefty repairs, or worse, if there are any major structural damage that could take months to repair. Getting a home inspection isn't mandatory, but it's highly recommended before presenting the seller with your offer. Step number 5, making an offer. Okay, the inspection checks out and it's time to make an offer. Your realtor will be able to figure out what a suitable offer price would be for the condo that you want to buy. Knowing things like the average price of a similar condo in the area, how long that particular condo been on the market, and whether the seller is in a rush to sell. All these can help you get a price that's fair for the local market. Hint, remember that most sellers will set a higher price than what they hope for, knowing buyers will try to negotiate a lower price. Step number 6, applying for the loan. Once you've established the price for your condo or rental property, it's time to finalize the funding. Now, there are 2 main ways to do this. 1, get a loan through the Federal Housing Association, FHA, or 2, apply for a conventional mortgage. FHA loans are popular because of the lower credit score requirements and a lower condo down payment required on the application. But this option can prove to be challenging if the condo is not approved for a Federal Housing Association loan. People with an excellent credit score might opt for a conventional mortgage. You'll need to apply for condo insurance to get the loan, but luckily, you can apply for an insurance plan online within minutes. Step number 7, meeting the HOA. Through the Homeowners Association, or HOA, each condo owner or resident is required to pay a maintenance fee each month to maintain the community areas of the condo. When you finally find the right condo to buy, you'll have to ask for approval by the HOA of that condo building to run a rental property business. Your application needs to include a financial statement from your income levels to expenses and holding assets. Step number 8, signing the papers. Congratulations, you made it. Signing the papers is the last step. Once you and the seller have agreed on the terms and you have the clear to close notice from the lender, a real estate attorney will prepare all the necessary contracts and paperwork to be signed so that you can finally buy your dream condo investment property. And when the contract is signed, your loan application will be finalized as well. Condos are a great choice if you are considering investing in rental properties. The team at Mashvisor is there to help guide you through the condo purchase process from start to finish. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you next time.